Echo Lima Mike Echo Romeo from Morelos State. QSL Joy 2 November Charlie 605.
Man, thank you so much for returning the call. I'm booting up my computer. I do not know if you have computer, but Elmer, I'm going to connect my radio to the Ustream. Maybe you know what I mean, man. Yeah, it's hot out here. I'm out in my radio shack, and it's really hot, so I'm going to hook the radio to the Ustream, and I'm going to go inside into the air condition and listen, man. But in the meantime, you know, I figured I would make a few calls, and really nice to hear you. Elmer, what part of Mexico, man? Give me a better idea of your QTH. This is Joe. I'm in North Carolina. I'm in a town called Wilmington. Wilmington, with a W, like a whiskey. Wilmington, North Carolina. I am 5 miles from the beach. My radio, RCI 2950. I got a couple hundred watts, man. The antenna is a dipole. It's homemade. I make it myself. Antenna 30 feet. It is a double bazooka type. It's made with coax, man. The antenna, homemade dipole, right now 30 feet inverted V. I send it back to you. 10 Mike Echo X-ray 106 Elmer. I am 2 November Charlie 605 Joe.
Okay, 100% 2 November Charlie 605 Joe in North Carolina. 100%, my friend Joe. Nice to meet you, Joe. I from Morelos State. My QTH is in Morelos State. Morelos like Mike, Oscar, Romeo, Echo, Lima, Oscar, Sierra, in the center of Mexico. My QTH at 100 kilometers to Mexico City, Mexico capital. 100 kilometers in the center of Mexico. Okay, Joe, 100%. Your QTH is 5 miles to the beach. Okay, 100%. Your signal report